everywhere. I live first in a little house and live there very well. The world to me was small and round, small and round, small and round, small and round. The world to me was small and round and made of illusion. I live next in a little nest, not needed any other. I live next in a little nest, not needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At last I flew behind the tree and saw the sky so blue. At last I flew behind the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made.